Welcome to our quick demo of how easy it is to make a financial transaction using the OnActuate Cashiering solution. First, the cashier signs into the POS. They are authenticated by Azure AD Single Sign-On. After successfully logging in, the cashier opens a new shift. First, we'll demonstrate payment processing for an invoice sent to a customer. The cashier can search for the invoice, either by invoice number, customer ID, or customer name. Let's search by customer name. Select the correct invoice number from the list. The pop-up shows the processed payment amount and current balance. Let's enter the payment amount. The invoice is added to the cart. Now we can select the payment method and enter the payment details, such as the last 4 digits of the payment card, to complete the transaction and print the receipt. It's as simple as that. The receipt will contain the transaction details, including the invoice number, payment amount, payment method, and other important information. Here is an example of a receipt. Now we will demonstrate non-AR payment processing. The cashier selects the service they are processing the payment for. Then we add the service and payment amount to the cart. Here we'll select the payment method, complete the transaction, and print the receipt. The receipt will contain the same vital transaction details as the example we saw earlier. To learn more about this powerful solution, please visit www.onactuate.com/cashiering or contact us directly at info@onactuate.com. Thank you.